Welcome to my channel Tavakadamrutam Tapta Jeevanam. Om Ajnanathimiramdasya Jnananjana Chakshuranmilitam Yena Tasmai Sri Gurave Namah. We are going to discuss about the topic Pranadapi Sunichena Taroriva Sahishnuna Amanina Manadena. We are going to discuss about the topic Manadena, ante offering respect to the others. I am still learning offering respect to others. I am still learning. So this is a vast transcendental quality. So I am still learning offering, how to offer respect to others. Offering respect to others. This is a very good topic. It will help me to learn the different aspects of respecting. So what is respect? And how to apply in different situations. Generally, people think respect in traditional and conventional sense, when praise somebody, are valid gestures of respect or some appreciation of some other persons of goodness. But our consciousness, respective, although there are many forms of respect which matured in material conception of respect, their consciousness of respect for a devotee is much, much deeper, is based on a eternal principle. For example, we may bow down before elders in a traditional way, and a devotee may also bow down before elders, and externally it appears same, but internally there is difference in consciousness, thinking, feeling, willing, chintana, bhavana, sankalpa. Because when one in material consciousness, one offers respect, one is expecting respect, and also that respect is based on reverse conception, is not based on absolute conception. That the devotees offers some respect to others based on absolute conception or spiritual conception. So in Krishna consciousness, our based respect is seen by everybody, in everything. That is just part and parcel of Krishna. Because Krishna is all respectable, we respect anything and everything in relation to Krishna. Because this sort of respect towards anything would be ultimately respect to Krishna. There is a proper way to anything, everyone in relation to Krishna. And the way to do that, just to see what is the utility in something in Krishna's service. And when you see the utility of something in Krishna's service, and first of all, we become used by that entity, animate or inanimate entity. Because when we think it is service to Krishna, a devotee becomes enthused. When you become enthused, happy, following that you desire to apply that in a particular thing in Krishna's service. In other words, recognizing the interest value of something in relation to Krishna and making an effort to magnify the utility of that thing in Krishna's service. That is what devotees' respect is based on. In other words, what the devotee respect to the empowered person or anything in service to Krishna. Those are very pure devotees of Krishna, very dear to Krishna. And they bring the transformation of heart of any living entity. They can even bring the transformation of heart of animals by their compassion, because they are so dear to God and they are so empowered by Krishna, and therefore they are valued the most. Mahatam Bahumanina Dinanam Anukampita. First of all, one should learn to offer the great respect to Mahatas. Mahat means great acharyas, previous acharyas. The great personalities who carry bhakti in their heart. Because of bhakti, they have all kinds of siddhis, anima, mahima, lagima, prapti, prakamya, kamavasahita, isita, vasita, 8 siddhis, all kinds of opulences. It was just reflecting on Ambarish Maharaj and Durvas Muni. Durvas Muni is a great mystic. He has amazing powers. But Ambarish Maharaj powers are greater than Durvas Muni. How? Because he was able to remain undisturbed even in the most dangerous situation created by Durvas Muni. Durvas Muni created fire demon from his air, which is definitely empowered things to do. But Ambarish Maharaj was still respectable to Durvas Muni. Even in that precarious situation. And therefore, Ambarisha's opulences is by quality is superior to the qualities of opulences of Durvas Muni. Similarly, Haridas Thakur. Haridas Thakur has qualities. His qualities are superior to persons like Vishwamitra and so on. Even in the most tempting situations, he remained undisturbed. In other words, those who were very, very dear to Krishna, they are most respected because Kintu Prabhoriya Priyeva Tasya Vande Guru Sri Charanaravinda. Because they are very close to Krishna. We offer all respects to Krishna. And therefore, they are very close to Krishna. They offered respect on the level of God. They respect as good as God. Unless one learns to do this, one's respect for other living entities is always effective. This is the basis of offering respect to everyone else. Krishna and his pure devotee respect on the same level. That means we value them the way we value Krishna, the pure devotees of Krishna. We enhance the service. We obey the instructions, even the slight amount of disrespect towards such personalities. For example, Indra, when Brihaspati came into the gathering, did not notice the Brihaspati into the audience, into the assembly. He just neglected Brihaspati. Because he neglected Brihaspati, the consequences was he lost kingdom to demons. Amazing. We can continue in the next episode. Now I am stopping. श्रील गुरु महाराज की जय, श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय, अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय, श्री श्री राधा गोविंद जी भगवान की जय, निताय गौर प्रेमानंद हरि हरि।